Hello everyone, welcome back to Ask Nehru. I am Nehru. I am going to explain today how to install PrimeNG and PrimeNG icons as well and in our Angular project. So in the last video, I have installed the Angular and also I am running it with the navigation bar. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I request you to watch it so that you will understand how to install, how to create a new project and how to install different components and all. Now in this video, so it's a powerful UI called PrimeNG. I show you this is the PrimeNG. There are other UI component libraries as well. For example, Angular Material. Okay, but in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to use PrimeNG because PrimeNG has so many UI components. Just like there are forms available here, and we have some buttons like button library, different kinds of buttons with the different kinds of themes. Okay, and we have some data, for example, paginations we have and tables we have. They have given some panels also, accordion panels and different kinds of tabs, toolbars. Okay, and so on. Okay, there are menus, so many things are there. Okay, breadcrumb. So it's really a huge library. So much of UI components, pre-built components are given. So which is very difficult to build with simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript, at least for the beginners. So therefore, we use the power of PrimeNG's pre-built components so that we will simply focus on our functionalities, API integrations and so on. So here what I need one navigation bar and also a sidebar. So then the navigation bar I will keep some buttons, icons, and the sidebar I will show you the list of items which we will use for the future. Okay, so what I do, I go here and I go to the installation guide. So they have given npm install PrimeNG. I simply copy that and go to my VS Code. Yes, VS Code. And the VS Code in the terminal section. So we have a list of other command line tools. But I already in one command line I have given ngserve, therefore it is running. So I don't want to disturb it. Generally you should also don't disturb it when it is running. Then with the plus icon you add one more PowerShell. I show you how. Now nothing is there. I just click the plus icon, so PowerShell is added. So here I just paste the command npm install PrimeNG and give enter. So it is installing. Okay, successfully installed. So as soon as it installed, it affected the package.json. In the package.json, if you see, the PrimeNG 17, 18 and 11 is being installed. Okay, fine. And along with that, I also want to install one more thing, that is Prime icons. So what I do here, for better visibility, I drag this up. Yes, because icons also we want. So generally it's a practice to install icon because icon has to be installed separately. Prime icons. Okay. Okay, successfully installed, guys. So fast. Nice. So once I have installed it, I go here and I want toolbar component. So in the panel divisions we have toolbar. So I click the toolbar. So toolbar is loaded here and we have some couple of pre-built toolbar components. So let me use the first one itself. So here there are HTML files But if you click the toggle full code, HTML and TS will come here. Okay. So I go to HTML first and I copy all of them. How do I copy? There is a copy code option. I copied it and I go to navigation bar, a navigation bar component of our application. So I click this and there is a NavBar component. So within the NavBar component, I paste it. There are so many errors. Don't worry guys, it is because of missing of PrimeNG's modules here. So therefore, what I do, I just open the TypeScript and here we have imports array. In the imports array, we will import the respective modules one after another. So what are the modules we need? So in the TypeScript, if you go, in the TypeScript itself, there are some couple of components given here. So in the imports, whatever is given, just copy all of them and paste it in our imports array. Okay, again there are some error. Don't worry guys, just hover upon it and scroll down. There is a quick fix. If you do quick fix, there will be add import from toolbar, the first options. So if you click, toolbar module is imported. Again it is throwing, don't worry. Do the same process again and again. PrimeNG button, here, split button, go here, add imports, import text module, icon field module, and inputs icon module. Okay, when everything is imported, of course, all the problem has solved from TypeScript. And here also the number of errors decreased. But there are some other icon field and input icon. Okay, maybe we try to install them. Icon field module is there already, but for some reason it's not taking, no issue. So we focus on input icon. Okay, yeah, maybe I remove icon field. It's icon field module, therefore I remove it. And let me try quick fix. Input icon, maybe we can install some, yeah, okay, let's fix one after another. So I go here and copy this code because it needs some items. Okay, I copy it and I go to my TypeScript. So within the class scope, I just paste them, and the menu items, I imported the menu items. Now one is reduced, but again some kind of okay, instead of split button, I keep only button. It reduces. And there are models. Maybe we can use some. I go to 17 because 17 is the version which is installed. I wrongly went to that one anyway. Now I go here and go to the, that's the problem actually. Okay, I go to UI component and panel toolbar. Okay. So here if you see the toolbars are there here. I copied this one. So instead of that, I keep this one. See guys, all the problems has gone away. Now I do Control K and yes, that is a shortcut which I have set for saving it so that it will rerun. Okay, so it again rerun and compile successfully. Now let me go and show you the output. See the output, icons are missing. What's the reason? Yeah, the reason must be there. For that, we should import in the style.css, the style.scss. Okay, this is used for global styling. Here we need to add the icons styles. Okay, for that I go to icons and there's a PrimeNG icons. After clicking this, see, it is asking us to add this style into the imports. So I go here and paste it here and save it. So after saving it, what happens? Let me see the result. Yes guys, it is added successfully. Okay, so the next step is we should install sidebar, because that's what I am targeting for. Yeah, and before going to sidebar, I want to do one thing. This button I want to make as bars, because this bars is nothing but it will give look and feel like a menu. Okay, so that when I click the menu, I want to show the sidebar. That is my target. So I go to PrimeNG again and search for the component sidebar. So sidebar will be under overlay. So there is a sidebar. Okay. So when I click this one, so this comes. This is what I want. So I import the sidebar module in the navigation itself, because sidebar is also one of the navigation, right? So I go here and I import the sidebar. Okay, sidebar module. Just by typing, it gives the suggestions. So we imported it successfully. Now I want to use this one. Okay, so here there are buttons, but since we have button already, I choose only this thing within the P sidebar tag. Okay, and below the toolbar I add the sidebar, and it is asking to declare the sidebar variable in our TypeScript component. So I go to TypeScript component here. So I choose this one. It's very simple guys. I choose this one and keep it here. Okay, so now the error has gone, but there is one more thing. Here they have given one button click, but I take only the functionality, that is on click event, and I paste that one in this icon. Okay, because when I click this menu bar, the sidebar has to come. Okay, Control K and yes, I saved it. Now I go to the result. When I click this one, sidebar is not appearing. There is a reason guys. So in our Angular 18, there is a feature which is added. That feature we have to configure in the config.ts. So for that we need to go to source, and there is a app.config. So there is a application configuration array. I mean within the providers array, we should give a thing called provide animation async. So it's a method. Okay, once we added this, we can see the result. See guys, so we have successfully achieved it, sidebar. Okay, then we can make many list of items. In my case, maybe I will modify the names. It's very simple guys. So let me show you. That's all the tutorial. Now hereafter I am going to make the list. Okay, h3. So in the sidebar I will keep something like rxjs. rxjs is a library. Bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap. Some concept. Okay, for example, event binding. two-way data binding, okay, and something like animations. That's all, guys. So when I do so nothing's there. When I click the sidebar, see the list of items comes in, and the lorem ipsum, I don't want this lorem and ipsum. I remove it from here. That's all. That's really great, guys. We have achieved it. Okay, and this name also you can change. You can keep instead of save, so you can keep some sign in, sign up, and log out. Okay, and this is a search bar. We can globally search. If you want to use it, you can use it. Otherwise, we can delete it. Okay, so that's all, guys. We have successfully imported PrimeNG components in our applications. In further, we will explore more in our Angular. So thank you for watching till this time. I meet you in the next video. Bye.